Miss Joy, now that we know what you can do for MSMEs, this is the good time for our bosses to learn as well. Let's do reality checks dito sa mga negosyo sa Pilipinas na kailangan matutunan natin. So from your perspective, Miss Joy, bakit nga ba madalas hindi lumalago ang business ng mga MSMEs?
Okay. Maraming reason, isa siguro doon would be yung tiwala nila sa sarili nila.
Totoo yan.
No? Minsan parang, sige susubukan ko lang,
Yeah.
'di ba, for a couple of months.
Yeah.
Tapos, kunyari, 3 months, 6 months, ay hindi nag-work,
Yeah.
tapos na. 'Di ba?
Mhm.
Parang, ang bilis. Normally kasi ang Pinoy may fallback eh. Ay, magtatrabaho na lang ako ulit. Balik na lang ako ng corporate.
Sweldo.
Diba?
Exactly.
So, I think yun, believe sa sarili is really very important
Yeah.
Yeah.
for us.
Yeah, I also remember when
Oo.
we were talking earlier, yung sinasabi mo ang mindset na kaya ko yan.
Oo,
Yun,
tama. Oo. Actually, second yun. Yun nga. So, may iba naman. Actually,
Yeah.
flip side naman, sabihin naman nila, kaya ko yan
Yes.
lahat gawin. Hindi
Mm.
ako mag-outsource. Kaya ko yan.
Yeah.
Ako
gagawa.
Ako gagawa. Ako maglilist sa marketplace.
Mhm.
Ako magpipick and pack.
That's true.
'Di ba? Ako mag-dispatch sa sa
Yes.
courier. Ako lahat. Ako magbubook sa courier. So, pag ganun kasi, hindi ka lalago eh.
Mhm.
'Di ba?
That's
Kasi
true.
you have to remember, yun nga, no man is an island.
That's true.
Right?
Mhm.
Walang lumago ng sarili lang. You
Hindi
really
tayo
have to have a
marunong
team.
mag-delegate, I think, as
Yes,
Pinoys.
Oo. Takot tayo.
Yeah,
Takot,
may
oo.
hesitation.
Yes. So, kasi, well, hindi naman natin entirely fault as a
Mhm.
Pinoy, right?
Yeah,
But
Yeah.
fault siya ng mga Pinoy na nanloko sa atin.
that's true.
Kasi, di ba, there are
Actually, totoo
instances
yun.
na ibubudol ka talaga, di ba?
Aha.
So, you really have to find the right partner talaga na mapagkakatiwalaan mo para makadelegate ka, di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi, in delegating, then you can do the more important stuff,
Correct,
di
correct.
ba?
Pero yung iba kasi, yung mga kaya ko yan, they do DIY operations.
Yes,
Yes.
so, correct.
Ano yung parang nakita nyo pang problem sa mga nagdi-DIY? Dahil mahilig tayo mag-DIY
Oo,
talaga.
yun nga, DIY. So, ano lang, normally, hindi establish yung proseso. Di ba?
Aha.
Yung mga siya, yung pang startup lang talaga, yung pang iilan lang kayo. Maybe for the first few sales,
Yeah.
first 100,000, maybe even for the first million,
Yeah.
pwede pa.
Right.
Diba? Pero if you want it to really be scalable, hindi not just growth. Kasi scale is different from growing eh.
Oh,
So,
that's a good one. Maybe you can explain
Oo.
sales, yung scalable
Yeah.
and growing.
So, ang difference niya, if you say growing, for example, your sales is 1 million, naging 2 million, for example. And then your expense is, example lang, 10,000 for the 1 million. So, if you grow, normally, pag nag 2 million yun, 20,000 yung gastos mo.
Yeah.
Susunod lang, 3 million, 30,000.
yeah.
Kasi parang minumultiples off mo lang, di ba?
Yeah.
Once you start scaling, that's where efficiency comes in.
That's true.
So, pwedeng, kunyari, nag-start ka at 1 million at 10,000. Maybe at 2 million, maybe 15,000 lang yung gagastusin mo. Kasi you look for efficiencies already eh. Diba?
Aha.
Maybe pag tumuntong ka ng 3 million, maybe same at 15,000 pa rin yung gastos mo. So, kaya very important yung alam mo how to become efficient. And that is how some of the outsourced companies actually help you do.
Right, like
Yeah.
fulfill.
Yes,
So yun yung tinatry natin i-bridge na gap.
Correct.
Pero
correct.
grabe no, pag nagdi-DIY din yung mga tao,
Oo.
sobrang nakaka-burnout din yun.
Yes.
Imagine mo
Oo.
like
Oo.
maya ka titingin
Oo.
ng orders,
Mm.
tapos
Exactly.
magpa-pack ka na
Oo.
naman.
Ang
It's not-
daming
oo.
factors na hindi na-anticipate actually.
Yes.
Totoo.
Na mga
oo.
Yeah.
nagdi-DIY. Oh, you've
Oo.
said burnout, di ba?
Yeah,
Hindi din
correct.
nila nakikita yung bigger picture eh. Like, yung mga delayed orders, di ba?
Correct.
Paano
Totoo,
i-handle?
lalo na sa
Correct.
marketplace.
penalties. May mga
Yes,
ganyan
grabe.
aspect eh.
Ngayon, as in like this week lang, one of the apps, nag-launch na ng instant delivery.
Yeah.
So it's the same day. So
Same
you have
day?
to dispatch your order
Within the
within an
day.
hour.
Within an
Yeah.
hour? Oh my God,
Yeah.
dati next day delivery lang.
Hindi na.
meron ng
Ngayon,
within
may
hour.
same day. Not
Mm.
all yet, but some sellers
Meron.
are required already.
Yun yung may cut-off na sila for a certain
the
time.
order.
And then,
Yes.
Hindi, dati kasi 2 p.m. yung cut-off.
Yeah.
Parang
Hindi na.
usual.
Mas
Hindi
maiksi na
na. Oo, mas
ngayon.
maikling cut-off
For
na
those
yan.
who choose same day.
Mhm.
Not all yet. So, we
Yeah.
don't know in the next, few months, baka i-roll out na talaga ng app na yan for
Mhm.
all
Oh no.
sellers. So, that's why you have to have that outsource agency to help you make things efficient.
Right. So
Diba?
ano ba yung signs, I think, sa tingin natin, Miss Joy, signs of outgrowing your own DIY setup?
Okay. Siguro kung talagang feeling mo hindi ka na makatulog, 'di ba? Kasi we
That's
have one client now, no. Sabi nila, nung una DIY lang sila kasi nga
Mhm.
pandemic din eh.
Yeah.
So DIY hangga't sa umabot sa point na hindi na talaga sila makatulog. Kasi nga they had to run after marketplace KPIs eh.
Yeah, that's true.
'Di ba? Kasi they have to serve their
Violations din
consumers. So
kasi.
violations din 'yon. So hindi na sila pwedeng matulog to keep up with the KPIs of the marketplace.
Right.
So, actually dapat bago umabot doon, sign na yun na you're outgrowing eh.
Right.
It's really time to outsource or if you have the capability to really build a bigger team. Diba?
That's
So, it's
true.
really where you are in that life cycle.
So, what we're saying now is that yung mga boss natin, pwede silang mamili na it's either you grow your team or
Yeah.
you start outsourcing the rest of the
Yes.
things that you do
Correct.
to be able to make it more efficient.
Yes,
Because
correct.
at the end of the day, mas
Ah.
efficient na isang business, mas scalable siya.
Yes,
marami
tama,
akong natutunan
tama.
today.
Oo.
Oh,
Mas
diba?
mag-isip ka ng mga business development ideas that can really grow your business
Yes.
rather than just running after fulfillment of your orders.
Yeah.
Diba?
That's true.
All right, going back to how Fulfill actually works, no, yung end-to-end service, Ms. Joy. So let's say a business would like to acquire Fulfill's services.
Mhm.
Eh di ba iba-iba po yung business, no?
Mhm.
Ibang business model,
Yeah.
how they operate.
Uh-uh.
How can you can you accommodate all kinds?
Okay.
Like is there a customized
Okay.
service
Okay.
Option, yeah.
options?
So, yung all kinds, of course, we have some restrictions.
Aha.
Mga illegal, ni pwede.
Syempre.
Siyempre.
Mm.
Tapos mga fresh items, we cannot because we have to
Yeah.
keep the premises
Yeah.
clean also eh.
Yeah.
So yun, but anything in between,
Uh-huh.
we're okay, no?
Mhm.
It's as simple as parang we want ourselves to be like kind of a turnkey solution
Mhm.
also. So when
Mhm.
you turn over your products, parang ipapasa mo lang yung
Yeah.
products to our warehouse and then together, we build the business together.
Mhm.
So
Oh,
it's
that's
not
nice.
a pasa ko sa'yo, bahala
Ikaw
ka na.
naman,
It's
yeah.
not like that. We don't want brand partners like that, no?
Yeah.
So, kasi at the end of the day, this is also your business eh. Diba?
Yeah.
Your business, that's your brand.
Yes.
This is my business. We have to work together.
Yeah.
There's no such thing as bigay
Ikaw
ko sa'yo,
na.
bahala ka na mag-grow.
Yeah.
Diba? Kasi I will never have the vision that you had when you
Mhm.
created the product. So we have to work together. And that is one of
Mhm.
the pitfalls actually for some businesses. That's why they don't work. Kasi they expect na,
Mhm.
sige, fulfill, bahala ka na. Diba?
Oo.
So, yun.
Hindi
So,
talaga siya
hindi
mangyayari.
talaga.
And
Yes.
sometimes kasi, yung mga tao din, iniisip nila, pag nag-business ako today, bukas, milyonaryo na ako.
Oo, hindi.
So, it's very instant.
Yan ang akala
sana.
mo.
Oo.
sana mangyayari.
maling
Para ka lang nanalo
Yeah.
sa loto.
Oo, wish ko rin yan.
Diba?
Yes.
Pero,
Pag may sagot sa inyo, sabihin niyo sa akin.
tama. Pero ano po ba yung makikita natin sa instant success na iniisip ng mga tao versus
Mhm.
talaga sa reality of
Ah.
having a business which is technically a little bit slower than what you're expecting.
oo. Tama. So, perfect yung term na ginamit mo, no? Honestly, it's really slow burn.
Uh-huh.
Yung term na cliche, no? But the term slowly but surely
Yeah.
is really correct.
Yeah.
Lalo na in business. Ako, I'm a believer na slow, steady growth
Is
will
better.
actually more sustainable
Right.
in the future. Maganda yung overnight success eh. Ay, parang bukas millionaire na kagad ako.
Yeah.
Eh, paano the day after?
Totoo.
Diba? How do you
Yes.
replicate that? I mean, there are a lot of possible challenges.
Uh-huh.
Diba? Ito yung get rich quick. So we
Yeah.
don't
Mhm.
want that. So we
Mhm.
want slowly but surely sustainable.
That's
Kasi I
true.
see also a number of businesses, no, lalo na startups, na ganun, get rich quick.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Tapos after a couple of years, they're gone.
Yeah.
So
Why do
we
you think
don't
that happens?
Kasi yun nga, I think it's investing in not the most efficient things. No? So, ano lang, parang gusto lang, sige, yun nga, get rich quick eh. So, ayaw natin ng ganon. So, nagiging counterproductive.
Sino po ba yung brand na yan?
Ay, hindi natin pwedeng sabihin yun.
Try lang po, hula.
Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin. Pero maraming ganon. I'm
Yeah,
sure if you
that's
just
true.
research, there are a lot. Even for mga startups ngayon, small businesses, a number of, well, I can't remember the statistics, no? Pero
Yeah.
alam ko parang just a single digit just survives within 5 years of starting up.
Oh.
So talagang yung seryoso at marunong lang talaga mag-manage ang talagang may iwan na long term.
O boss, deserve mo malaman ang buong kwento niyan.
Huwag kang mag-alala. The full episode is now up on YouTube and Spotify.
Follow us on our social media pages for more updates. This is Benta Bosses by Quotable AI.